Vaisala K-PATENTS Process Refractometers are used for inline liquid measurements for the purpose of process control and industrial automation. The measurement principle is critical angle measurement. There are three main components in the refractometer: a light source, a prism, and an image detector. The light source sends light rays in different angles to the prism and process interface. Rays with a steep angle are partly reflected to the image detector and partly refracted to the process. Rays with a low angle are totally reflected to the detector. The angle from which the total reflection starts is called the critical angle. The CCD camera detects a bright field and a dark field corresponding to partly reflected light and totally reflected light. The position of the borderline between the bright and the dark area correlates with the critical angle, which is a function of the refractive index and therefore correlates with the concentration of the solution. For more information in New Jersey, New York, Pennsylvania, Ohio, West Virginia and Western Maryland, contact Miller Energy. Call 800-631-5454 or visit www.millerenergy.com.